All right, guys, welcome back to week 7, the last week that we're going to be learning some new stuff. Next week, you guys are going to be turning in your technology and stuff to the school, so that kind of limits us. So this is going to be our last week, week 7, and it's going to be the pre-Civil War. So for this unit, we're just going to look at the causes of the Civil War. And so when we get together next year, your guys' sophomore year, we're going to start off with this unit heading into the Civil War. Okay, so this is going to be kind of a little sneak preview, and also it's going to be kind of a good cap for the year. So let's kind of look at what we're doing this week. I'm only going to let you guys do one assignment this week because we're wrapping up. I know it's getting nice outside, so we're going to start winding down here. So your assignment this week is just going to be a reflection question, and the question's already posted, but here it is. It is, what cause do you believe had the most impact on starting the Civil War? And what cause do you feel had the least amount of impact on starting the Civil War? So that's the question for the week. I have embedded a PowerPoint right here. This PowerPoint has a bunch of different causes, so most of you will probably choose your answer based on this PowerPoint. So you can kind of just go through and kind of read through them all, get some basic information on them. If you want other information, obviously just use Google or your book. But that'll be a good starting point there. And then I kind of threw in some other sources if you kind of want to watch something or for maybe a different article to give you some more ideas. Just kind of giving you a whole bunch of options. Again, just choose the one that you feel had the biggest impact and which one you feel had the smallest amount of impact. And then obviously write your response in 100 words. Minimum. You do not need to reply to a classmate, and this one will be worth 20 points, and this will be our last assignment of the year. So once you have completed this assignment, you're good to go. As always, is due Sunday night at 11:59 p.m. So you have all week to get it done. And like I said, once you're done with this one, you're done for good. All right. Now, excuse me. Speaking on the assignments, this week on Thursday will be the last day I'm taking late work from weeks 1 through 6. Okay, so make sure you get weeks 1 through 6 all completed. I'm not going to be grading it going into the last week, our finals week. Okay, so this week, Thursday, is the last day to turn in missing work. And for this assignment, if you turn it in late, so if it's not turned in Sunday night at 11:59, like if you turn it in Monday morning or Tuesday, I'm not going to grade it. Okay, so last week, so you got to make sure we have hitting our deadlines now that we're coming to an end. All right, so good luck, everybody. Stay safe, as always. Hope you guys are fighting through it. Only one more week to go, for us at least. Hope you guys are doing good, and I'll talk to you guys later.